Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and today we're going to look at 46 Deane Street, Unit 4. Here's the main living room area. This unit has plenty of closet space, hardwood floors, baseboard heating. Here we have a main room dining area, or potentially parlor area. Here we have the kitchen, equipped with tile floors, stainless steel sink. Here we have a corner bedroom. And to the left here is the bathroom. Tile floor as well, tile walls for the shower. This is 46 Deane Street, Unit 4. I'm Jordan from Nexus Property Management.